To another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can put a thumbnail or add a thumbnail to your YouTube video from your phone. It's very easy, just be with me. Go to YouTube and it will take you to your YouTube's homepage. So this is my YouTube homepage. I want to add a thumbnail to my YouTube viewers. Go to U button, then go to view channel, then you will find here manage videos. Okay, go to manage videos. As for example, I want to here I have a video called Incredible India that I have posted 2 years ago. Now I want to add a thumbnail for this video. I will click on the three dot here in the right hand side here. Click on that, click on edit, then you will find a pen option here, and this is the picture, this is the thumbnail. In the pen option here you can add or change, or you can add a new thumbnail from the gallery, or add a thumbnail from the video they have suggested. So this is a process through which you can put a thumbnail on your YouTube videos. If you like the video, to subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of videos you like from us. Thank you.